Welcome to another video lecture series on VLSI and chip design. I'm Dr. Vinod. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to derive the expression for VIH and VIL noise margin values. For this one, you should know the how to draw the DC transfer characteristics for the CMOS inverter. So this graph represents that one, and A, B, C, D, E, how this region has formed, and we have already formed the equation for A, E, and C. For A, E, and C, what will be the value of IDS? We have already derived that one. And now we are going to see about the region for B and D, which is responsible for noise margin equations. That is, if you see the voltage characteristics of the CMOS, this is how it will look like. And at B and D region, you form a slope, and that slope I can write it as dou V out divided by dou V in is equal to -1, since it is reducing. And at that value, I am going to find at B value, I am going to find VIL at x-axis and VOH at the y-axis, and T I form VIH, and at y-axis I form a VOL. So you can see the region values. For B region, PMOS is in a linear and NMOS is in saturation. At D region, PMOS is in saturation and the NMOS is in linear. So first let us discuss about the region B, where I already told you at V in value becomes VAL. And since the n mass is in saturation, I can write it as beta n V in minus VTN the whole square divided by 2. That is equal to beta p into this is in linear region. So instead of VGS, I am going to substitute V in minus VDD minus VTP into V out minus VDD. That is VDS, I am writing it as um, V out minus VDD, and minus V out minus VDD the whole square divided by 2. So from the fifth equation, so I'm going to expand this equation as so here you can see if I take beta n common and V in, I can write it as V in into, if I multiply the V out minus VDD into V in, I will get V in into V out minus VDD minus VDD plus VTP into V out minus VDD minus V out minus VDD the whole square divided by 2. And again I'm going to multiply, that is equal to beta p into V in minus V out minus VDD into V in. If I bring the V in inside this V out and minus VDD minus VDD plus VTP into V out plus VDD into VDD plus VTP minus V out minus VDD the whole square divided by 2. So now I am going to differentiate this V out divided by V in equal to -1. So at so here if I differentiate with respect to the fifth equation, now the last will be my fifth equation, and I'm going to differentiate with respect to V in. So I will get 2 into beta n into V in minus VTN divided by 2. So 2 will get cancelled out. That is equal to beta P V in. So here I have V out. So if I differentiate V out with respect to V in plus V out into dou V in by dou V in is 1. So I will get V out minus again if I have V in, so dou V in divided by dou V in is -1. So I'm going to substitute this value as this has to be dou V in by V in goes to 1, right? minus VDD plus VTP into DO V out divided by DV in minus so at VDD and to VDD plus VTP, I don't have VDD and V in terms, so the total it will get cancelled out. Minus 2 into V out minus VDD divided by 2 into dou V out divided by dou V in. So that is equal to beta P. So dou V out by dou V in, I can write it as minus value. So minus V minus V in minus VDD. Otherwise, if I take dV out by dV in common, I will get beta P into dV out by dV in. I will get V in minus VDD minus VTP plus V out minus VDD minus V out minus VDD into dou V out divided by dou V in. So now I'm going to substitute the value of dou V out by dou V in is equal to minus 1 in the above equation, right? So if I do, I will get the answer as beta n V in minus VTP, that is equal to beta P into beta P into, so so if I multiply minus value, so minus VIL, because V in is VIL now, plus VDD plus VTP plus V out minus VDD. So this minus of dV out by dV in becomes plus, so plus V out minus VDD. So here VDD and V minus VDD get cancelled out. So I will get beta P into minus VIL plus VTP plus V2 V out minus VDD. So what is beta n divided by beta P, that is KR. So KR into VIL minus VTP is equal to minus VIL plus VTP plus 2 V out minus VDD. Here 1 plus KR into VAL is equal to KR into VTN plus VTP plus 2 V out minus VDD. Okay, so 1 plus, so here if I take VAL, so what is VAL? VAL is equal to KR VTN plus VTP plus 2 V out minus VDD divided by 1 plus KR. So if VTN is equal to minus VTP and if KR is equal to 1 for symmetrical CMOS inverter, so VAL is equal to VTN plus VTP minus plus 2 V out minus VDD divided by 2. So VTP and VTN get cancelled out. So VAL is equal to 2 V out minus VDD divided by 2. So V out is equal to 2 VL plus VDD by 2. Okay. So this is my second equation. So in similar way, we need to find the value for the region D. So at that point, Vn is equal to VIH, and NMOS is in linear region, PMOS is in saturation region. Therefore, beta n into Vn minus VTP, V out minus V out the whole square divided by 2. So here I'm just writing VGS is equal to V in and VDS is equal to V out. That's it. Equal to beta n into VGS. I'm writing it as V in minus VDD minus VTP divided by 2, the minus VTP the whole square divided by 2. So beta n by beta P is KR. So 2 KR into V in minus VTN into V out minus V out the whole square divided by 2 is equal to V in minus VDD minus VTP the whole square. So here if I bring the V out inside V in, I will get V in V out minus VTN V out. Like this, I will get the equation, and I'm going to differentiate with respect to V in. So 2 VR into dV out divided by dV dou V in plus V out minus VTN dou V out divided by dou V in minus 2 into V out divided by 2 dou V out divided by V in is equal to 2 into V in minus VDD minus VTP. So now the 2 and 2 get cancelled out, and and they substitute dou V out divided by dou V in is equal to minus 1. So you will get KR into minus V in plus V out plus VTN plus V out is equal to VIH minus VTP minus VDT, since VN is equal to VIH. So KR into 2 V out plus VTN is equal to VIH minus VTP minus VDD plus VIH KR. So on rearranging this equation, VTP plus 2VR 2KR V out plus KR VTN plus VDD is equal to VIH into 1 plus KR 1 plus KR. So VIH is equal to VTP plus 2 KR V out plus KR VTN plus VDD divided by 1 plus KR. So again, if KR is equal to 1 for symmetrically inverted, and VTP is equal to minus VTN, so I will get VIH is equal to VTP plus KR into 2 V out plus VTN plus VDD divided by 1 plus KR. So here the VTP and VTN get cancelled out, and you will get 2 V out plus VDD divided by 2. That is your VIH value. So V out is equal to 2 VIH minus VDD divided by 2. This is your answer. So I hope this video is useful for you. And if you like this video, you subscribe this channel and share it with your friends. And if you want to watch further videos on VLSI and chip design, you go to my EC videos YouTube channel and see this video. Thank you.